Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit TikTok video. Make sure you watch this video until the end to exactly know how you can edit and manage your TikTok video. Now with the new update of TikTok, you can easily edit their videos within the app of TikTok. So to get there, you'll need to first open up your TikTok app. Now tap on this plus icon on the bottom and just tap on upload to upload the TikTok that you want to post and edit. Now as you can see, I've selected a video here. Now all you need to do is tap on this advanced editing right here on the right panel. If you tap on it, a whole editing platform will be added. To get started, if you want to remove any part of your videos, you can tap on split and again move this timeline and again tap on split. Now this section has been split. Now all you need to do is tap on delete. That section now has been removed from the video. Other than that, you can also adjust the speed of the video. You can increase or decrease the volume. You can make a rotation of the video. Now if you tap on this arrow right here, you'll again have a few other options such as adding sounds. If you tap on sound, you'll be able to add in all of the sounds that are available on TikTok. You can add in text, and the fun part is you can also add in overlays. So if you have any kinds of green screens, you can easily add it to your TikTok video. You can also add in effects. And after you made all the changes, you can tap on save on the top right. Now your TikTok video has been edited. Now you can tap on next and post it to your profile. I hope you guys liked and found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.